MPs are to be given another say on whether prisoners should have the vote. A draft bill will be published on Thursday, the day before a European deadline for British prisoners to be given voting rights. Last year, MPs overwhelmingly rejected the idea. More from our political correspondent Romilly Weeks.
It's an issue that had set the government on a collision course with Europe, whether to give those behind bars the right to vote for those in here.
I don't want prisoners to have the vote, and they shouldn't get the vote. I'm very clear about that.
Now, just before a deadline to comply with European law to do exactly the opposite, the government has come up with a possible way out. Draft legislation that will allow MPs to vote on a blanket ban or giving only prisoners serving shorter sentences the vote.
This is very much really what we were recommending from the beginning, that they should put the issue to the House of Commons in a piece of legislation and let the House of Commons choose. And they've effectively said they're going to do that. We'll have a choice of doing what the court wants, which is everybody under 4 years in prison, a compromise, every other 6 months, and an outright rejection. And I am reasonably sure the House will, in fact, go for outright rejection.
Former prisoner John Hirst, who killed his landlady with an axe, took the government to the European Court of Human Rights over the issue.
What they've been told by Europe, and quite firmly, is you will do this, you must do this. If you do not do this, then they will rule on the 3,500 cases backlogged in the European Court of Human Rights.